Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Unlock immediate calm and focus in Gym Class VR 2025 with Zen Mode. This quick guide will help you easily integrate powerful mindfulness techniques directly into your virtual workouts, transforming your experience. Prepare to experience enhanced performance, reduce stress, and a deeper connection to your gameplay, right from your very first session. It truly helps create a more centered and enjoyable virtual environment for everyone. Finding Zen Mode is incredibly simple. From the main menu of Gym Class VR 2025, just navigate to the Game Modes section. You will then see an option specifically labeled Zen. Simply select this option to activate the calming visual and audio experience tailored for focus. Confirm your choice, and you are all set to begin your mindful journey within the game, ready for a new level of play. Zen Mode offers several fantastic features designed to enhance your focus and relaxation. Enjoy peaceful, distraction-free environments, perfect for immersive gameplay without interruptions. You will also experience soothing ambient soundscapes, carefully crafted to promote a sense of calm during even the most intense sessions. Customizable visual filters are included too, helping to minimize sensory overload and significantly boost your overall concentration, making every moment count. Integrating Zen principles into your workouts can dramatically improve your performance. Try applying these techniques to your basketball drills, focusing intently on your breath and movements for improved flow and precision with every shot. Each throw can become a meditative practice, enhancing your aim. Use this calming atmosphere to maintain composure, especially during competitive matches or those crucial clutch moments. It truly helps you stay centered under pressure. To truly master Zen Mode, experiment with its various settings to discover your optimal balance of calm and focus. We encourage you to regularly practice mindfulness exercises, as this deepens your concentration both within the virtual world and in your daily life. Consider sharing your Zen experiences with friends, inviting them to join our growing community of mindful players. Embrace this approach for a consistently more enriching and balanced VR experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.